Welcome to our channel. Today we how to change your YouTube channel name, creator guide step by step clearly. Open the YouTube app on your phone or go to youtube.com on your computer and sign in to the correct Google account. Click your profile picture in the top right corner to open the account menu. Select your channel to enter your channel page. On desktop, click Customize Channel to open YouTube Studio channel customization. On mobile, tap Edit Channel on your channel page. Find the section where your channel name is displayed. Click the pencil icon or tap the edit field next to your current channel name. Type the new channel name exactly as you want viewers to see it. Check spelling, capitalization, and spacing because this is your public branding. Make sure the new name matches your content niche so people recognize your channel easily. If you use a brand name, confirm it is consistent with your logo and banner. Avoid adding extra symbols that could make your channel harder to search. If you want, also update your handle in the same area when the option is available. Remember that your handle is different from your channel name and appears in links and mentions. If prompted, review YouTube's name rules and confirm your change follows them. Click Publish on desktop or Save on mobile to apply the new channel name. Wait a few seconds for YouTube to process the update. Refresh the page or reopen the app to verify the new name appears correctly. Check your channel header to confirm the new name fits visually on your banner. Open one of your videos to see how the new name looks next to your content. Search your channel name on YouTube to confirm it appears as expected in results. If you manage multiple channels, double-check you edited the right one. If your channel is linked to a Google brand account, you may be redirected to Google account settings. In that case, confirm the brand name change and return to YouTube to see the update. Know that some changes may take time to show everywhere, especially on older pages or devices. Avoid changing your name too often so returning viewers do not get confused. Update your social media profiles and channel links so they match the new channel name. Tell your audience in a community post or short video so they recognize the rebrand immediately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.